Lifting a load from the top or the side, then you need to watch this video to understand how to do it. Hi, my name is George from LES Lifting Equipment Store. I'm going to run you through the Hackett Universal Lifting Point. This is going to be a great addition for when you're lifting something that has any tapped holes in the sides or the top. Its internal ball bearings allow it to swivel even on a load, so it's great for when you're going to need to position the load before putting it back down. This feature also allows the ring to follow the path of least resistance until it's fully under load. It will even hold its full working load limit even at 90 degrees, so it's useful for when sticking these bolts on the side of a load. You can use these on their own or in pairs or fours. Being perfectly symmetrical, it provides you with a peace of mind that it's truly lifting over center. Fun fact for you, back in the day, manufacturers actually used to use lifting rings instead of lifting oblong links like this. Essentially, the reason why they changed that is because you could always have the risk of lifting the load actually on the weld point. So that's why we switched to something like this, and we pop the weld on the side, so you're never ever going to be able to lift it like that. These universal lifting points start from M8 and go right up to M64. They can even hold up to 20 tons M64. Now, in terms of conformance, these are manufactured to strict regulations, and like all the other Hackett lifting points, they conform to UK, EU and US regulations. So for the UK and EU, it will be EN 1677-1, and then for over in the US, it would be ASME B26.30. Essentially what this means is they have to follow a really strict regime of manufacturing processes to ensure you've got the batch number on there, the working load limit, the thread size, basically absolutely everything the user needs in order to make a safe and efficient lift. William Hackett's have got you covered. Now, these come as standard as a metric or a UNC thread, but if you're looking for something a bit more bespoke, we can facilitate this for you. Just give us a call and let us know. We could do it in a thread, a BSW thread. These also come as standard in metric, in BSW and in UNC. They have a standard thread bolt, which is about that big depending on the size, and then if you wanted an extended thread bolt because you've got a hollow metal casing and you need to put a bolt through, we can facilitate that for you as well. Now, these do come in a standard thread. The bigger the width of the thread you go, the longer the bolt typically, but if you're looking for something with a bit of an extra longer bolt, I'd recommend going with the swivel hoist ring from William Hackett's as well. Installing the lifting point onto your load is really simple with the universal lifting point. Conduct, as you always should do when you get a new item, conduct a pre-use inspection of the lifting point. Once that's all good and you're happy with it, turn the thread into your tapped hole. Once you reach the end of the thread, you'll need to get your torquing tool out and follow the torquing values given on the instructions. Now remember that all lifting points need a minimum of a 6-month inspection in accordance with LOLA regulations. So the really useful thing about these lifting points is that if you don't have the opportunity to put a lifting point at the top of whatever you're lifting, and you can only put it at the side, the good thing is that the lifting link actually pivots to 230 degrees. My name is George, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Always remember, lift more, worry less with LES.